Hello, I'm Gregory Wilson with Chris Brown, who just did a lecture that was fantastic. It was a unique combination of physical and mental. And when I say mental, not necessarily mentalism, but something that makes you think. It was very thought-provoking. I think he's very thoughtful. Finger-popping knuckle busters.
Let's say, for example, just any card off the top. In this case, it's the 10 of spades. Watch very carefully. Drop the 10, and it's already done.
Wait, do that again. Did you do something? Plus a lot of things that, again, will make you think. On that note,
this is my very first at-the-table lecture, first lecture for that sake, and it is something that I have put a lot of time and devotion into with the thought behind it that I wanted everything that I have taught here to be versatile, very eye-catching, very appealing, and something that you can use in multiple different scenarios. I cover things like the orbit control, Dr. Manhattan change, and I talk a little bit about the Venus trap along with the Rain Man algorithm. You're born on a Saturday, you'll turn 65 on a Wednesday. If you were born 100 years prior, that would have been a Monday. And this year, you said October 21st. Yeah, that's right. Saturday's your next birthday. Plan accordingly. But also, the trick that cannot be explained. Something that I've been working on for a very, very long time, but up till now have never released it. All I want you to do is plain and simply, very, very simply, just drop your hand anywhere. Just drop it. Perfect. Where do you stop at? King of spades?
Yeah.
Why don't we spell it? S-P-A-D-E-S, right?
Mm-hmm.
I placed one card underneath the empty box. Turn that over.
Bam.
At the end of the day, honestly, I hope you take more from this than I do. I hope you take everything that I have given you and multiply it by 1,000. You have all the capabilities of doing anything that I can do and way more.